It's a bit windy tonight, but that's okay. It's not going to stop us from making our 232 Mechanic Toolbox Special by Kobalt box. Let's get what's inside. So you undo these two levers. State of the art. Lift up the lid. Wow, shiny. You know, you got some Allen wrenches, more Allen wrenches. Extension, another extension. Got some hex drivers, nut drivers, you know. Spark plug sockets, wrenches. How many teeth are in the average human? 20. So multiply that by about 3.5. You get 90 teeth. Let's keep it rolling. Okay. Pardon me. My mom got home, so I had to talk to her. But we're back.
Can we get the first drawer?
Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, fuck. Give me a second. Show them that real quick. Okay, we're good. 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch. You guys know the drill. 1/4 inch. You know what makes this toolkit stand out? Well, 227 plus 5. That's right, 5. What's the 5 coming from? The bonus screwdrivers. We got these things right here. These things can pack some torque, baby. I've actually taken off a valve cover with just that and a vice grip. Second drawer. So, oh my God, what am I doing? 1/4 inch, 3/8. Psych, 1/2 inch. Oh, fuck, I messed that up. You got more? 3/8 and 1/2 inch. Now you might be wondering. Pardon the interruption. You might be wondering, what's in that third drawer of yours? To tell you the truth, nothing. You know why? Because they designed this so well. The only tool that you will ever need, vice grip. So, 233 set toolbox. But we could add one more. Let's go in here. This baby.
What else do we put in there? I think that's good. You can stop filming. Okay, say thank you or something.
Oh yeah. This is not a paid promotion at all. But thank you, Kobalt, for sending me out this box. It's quite nice.